Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix automatic Gmail account pause. So first thing is just simply open up a web browser like your Google Chrome, and after that just simply click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and just simply go through the settings over here down below, and after that just simply go for the privacy and security over here on the left side, and just simply go to the site settings and just simply scroll down and go for the additional content settings, and just simply scroll down again and go for the on-device site data, and make sure to allow sites to save data on your device, and they should be able to fix the issue. Now another one is just simply go to the allow to save data on your device and click on add, and just simply type it over here accounts.google.com and click on add, and from here you should be able to fix it. Another one is just simply go to the privacy and security and go to delete browsing data and select the time range as all, and just simply delete the data and you should be able to fix it. There you go, see ya.